Rahim. My name is Aamer Alyzaee. I am a teacher cum trainer and teaching in different universities as visiting faculty. I am an industries person having more than 20 years of work experience in multinational organization. I have started converting my professional experience via my deliver lectures on my YouTube channel. This will help students to grab knowledge in this technological era. At first, I will be focusing economics, starting lectures on managerial economics. This will be 3 to 4 streams in total. Each lecture will be between 5 to 10 minutes duration to keep the students impact in small patch of time instead of long lectures. Coming to the point, my lectures will be in Urdu and English, both focusing the audience.
Rahim. So in last lecture, in lecture 9, we discussed the perfect competition, monopoly, profit maximization, shutdowns and productive efficiency. From now on in chapter 10, we will be discussing benchmarking, TQM, re-engineering and learning organization, impact of technology, location theory and basic location principles. So stay tuned. Now we will be discussing benchmarking. So benchmarking techniques and application. Benchmarking, as you know, is used to identify standards that are critical to a company's success. They are used to compare actual performance, determination of gaps in performance, implementations, and bringing improvements to the current scenarios. So external benchmarking are typically best practice. So what are external benchmarking? So productivity measures, we have to look at the productivity measures. So productivity ratio of output achieved to inputs into production, and objectives of productivity measures where all inputs used and needed to produce the actual output. Was the best mix of inputs used or not? So we have to look at it. Same going into the internal benchmarking. So we have to look for monitoring, investigative techniques, and mostly used techniques are control charts, Pareto diagrams, cause and effect. So those are fishbone diagrams which are easy to explain or which are easy to elaborate the analysis. Stay tuned, and we will be coming into the details of it in upcoming lectures.